If you also wonder whether a small or a mini sewing machine is useful for making clothes and you can use that effectively in India, then watch this video, because in this video I will share with you many things, the different types of mini sewing machines and whether they are good for making everyday clothes, whether these machines are good for beginners or what all you can do with these machines. So let's watch this video and find out for yourself. Sewing machines are very important for a family, especially if you have kids in your home, small children, or on everyday basis. Even if you buy online, you need to alter dresses because not always you are able to go to the tailor and get your dresses altered or stitched in time. So during that corona time also, people understood that it is useful to buy a sewing machine so that they can get their work done or dresses mended or altered on time. And when we talk about sewing machines for a home use purpose or for a beginner, many people prefer a mini sewing machine. When we say mini sewing machine means it is compact in size and affordable also. But before making any decision to buy a mini sewing machine, it is important that you understand what all a mini sewing machine can do, what it cannot do, what it is, it has the limitations, and whether it is suitable for different purposes and whether it is right machine for your needs. So in this video, we'll cover all these things, what are the pros and cons of mini sewing machines and whether they are suitable for making everyday clothes, whether it is value for money, value for beginners, and also find out the durability of these machines. And I'll also show you what are some popular sewing machines in India that you can have. As we say, mini sewing machine means small size and portability. Portability means you can carry them anywhere. They are available in different forms, including handheld, toy sewing machines, half size sewing machine, and 3/4 size sewing machines. So we'll find all these machines one by one. The first one is handheld sewing machine. It is a very convenient and time-saving tool. I remember when I was a kid, so we were six siblings and my mother used to carry needle and thread everywhere. So wherever she needs to do some mending or alteration or there used to be some small sewing or stitching things, she could do that. And for that purpose, this kind of handheld or stapler right sewing machines are useful because they are convenient and easy to use. They are like effortless. You can just quickly stitch anything and it makes life very easy. You can carry them in your purse, so you don't need to do laboring over hand stitching. So this is electric sewing machines. You can do any kind of like small sewing task anywhere and you don't need to struggle with thread and needle. This little machine helps you save valuable time and even some money by streamlining your sewing process. This is a small sewing machine, a handheld machine, but it has a sewing speed of 60 stitches per minute. You need to operate it like a stapler and you can make small handkerchiefs, cloth toys, patchworks, DIY things, simple embroidery or arts and crafts. So this machine can handle these small things and it is a good tool for beginners who want to try stitching for the first time, and it is also a good gifting option if you want to gift to anyone who loves stitching or making craft things. One important thing, the power options and portability. Portability means like you can carry it anywhere in your purse. And this electric handy sewing machine can be powered by either a DC 6V power adapter that is included in the pack that you buy or a 4 AA batteries. These are not included when you buy the machine. So 4 AA batteries you need to buy separately, but else you can use it with power adapter that is included with the buying pack. When we talk about durability and size, this is a small durable plastic sewing machine, same like otherwise also you buy a stapler or any home appliance. In short, this small mini sewing machine is a practical tool for small and light sewing tasks, whether you are indoors, at home, or outdoors. So, it offers convenience and portability, making it ideal for quick fixes and simple projects. But this machine is not for regular home use and more extensive sewing projects. You cannot stitch a full size sewing machine, and this small handheld sewing machine, it doesn't replace the need for a full size sewing machine. Because if you want, a regular dressmaking experience, that it would be a good idea to invest in a full size sewing machine, which would be a better choice to ensure that performance, durability, and create your creativity is enhanced. Next in our list is toy sewing machine. Toy sewing machines are also mini sewing machines, and they are fun sewing machines for beginners or children who are 10 years or above. Let's find out what are the benefits of this machine. Number one is no threading. So that is the best thing about these machines, because children can easily pop in the cartridge and start sewing right away. This eliminates the frustration of threads and allows young children or beginners to just do their projects and without worrying about threading the needle or threading the machine again and again. This machine has smart stitch sensors for easy sewing. That means when you put the fabric under the sensor, machine automatically starts sewing and knows exactly when to stop. This feature not only simplifies the process but also builds confidence and encourage independent crafting even for beginners. This toy machine is best for gifting or for children on their birthdays or their special days, because this fashion design kit includes a sheet of pre-printed pattern fabric which serves as a canvas for creating six trending accessories. Like children can make a belt bag or a scrunchie or even a sunglasses case. It's already given in the kit. In short, this is a cool machine pre-threaded with pre-printed fabric with some water transfer designs and smart stitch sensors. So you can buy this machine if you want to gift it to your kids, or you want your children to have a brush up with stitching, you want them to explore their creativity, then this is a cool machine. I'll provide the link in below and you can check out the latest best price of this machine. But it is also important to note this machine is not designed for regular home use sewing projects. It is basically for art and craft toy for small children or young kids to learn basic sewing skills and create stylish accessories. For regular home use sewing projects, it is important to invest in a full size sewing machine with a wider range of features and usability. Here we move to third type of mini sewing machine. These are half size mini sewing machines, and it is a compact convenience for basic home sewing. So if you are a beginner or you want a basic sewing machine in a budget, this could be your go-to sewing machine, because these machines are just like a regular sewing machines, and they are available in different models with the extension table, and some are without the extension table. As per customers review, these compact and portable design machines are useful for everyday sewing and mending and alteration things. If you transport or you want to store the machine somewhere in your cupboard, then this could be a good machine. Now, some of the machines also have a extension table or a table set. So that is also convenient because you can spread your fabric and stitch it easily. If you ask whether this machine is good for home use, then yes, this machine can be a solution for everyday mending or small sewing projects, light to medium fabrics. But yes, even that time it cannot handle more complex or large size sewing tasks. It is best suited for lighter materials and simple sewing projects. Next, let's talk about the most popular best selling sewing machines. These are also not a full size sewing machines. The full size sewing machines are manual machines or industrial sewing machines, but these machines are about 3/4 size of portable sewing machines. These can be carried anywhere and they are reliable choice for home use, or if you are a beginner and you love to make dresses, then these machines can be a good choice. So what is good about them? See, I talked about many sewing machines, automatic zigzag machines, full shuttle sewing machines. I talked about many machines in this channel as well as on Stitching Mall Hindi channel and on stitchingmall.com website, as well as on different social media platforms also. But here we are going to talk about Dream Stitch, Usha Janome Dream Stitch. And this is one of the popular machine because the stitching speed is 550 SPM stitching per minute. That is good for beginners. And this is easy to use machine. The design is compact, portable design. Machine is attractive, 7 built-in stitches and 14 stitches functions. So if we compare this machine with earlier three options, of course the earlier three options may save you money initially. Dream Stitch cost around 10,000 rupees, but this is a durable machine that will last for years and you can do many like 14 stitch functions and 7 built-in stitches. You can also do buttonholing feature, picot, fall, embroidery and hemming also. Like there are user friendly features that you can do with this machine, and it is a solution if you want a beginner friendly, durable and easy machine. And with this machine sometimes you get free sewing kit also. I will provide the link below. If free sewing kit is available, that you can check out in the link below. So in short, if we find out or if you ask me which of these machines is really good for making everyday clothes, then I'd say that a portable sewing machine that is about 3/4 of a size like a Dream Stitch or a Singer 8280. These type of basic sewing machines are good, but the price wise they are around 10,000 rupees. So what you can, if your budget doesn't allow, you may go for Akaira. That is a simple straight stitch sewing machines, but that is useful for people who are into DIY or alteration or just for mending purposes. Handheld machine is good for travel, or if you have to keep a machine as a substitute for thread and needle in your purse, then it is a good machine. Toy sewing machines are good for gifting or just giving an exposure of sewing to your creative children who loves to make things or who loves fashion designing or making things. When we talk of durability of mini sewing machines, then of course better the machine like Usha Janome or Singer branded machines, they would be durable, more durable as compared to other generic brands like Kyra or smaller machines, very handheld machines. So in my opinion, mini sewing machines can be a good and useful choice for home use, especially if you are a beginner or if you love to do lightweight fabrics and basic sewing tasks. They provide affordability, portability, and easy in use. But it is important to understand that mini sewing machines cannot handle bigger projects. If you want to pursue fashion designing also, then it is a good idea to invest in Dream Stitch or Singer that are branded machine, but still just to have a taste of what is sewing or what exactly stitching is, just to have a taste of that, you can with the 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or something, you can buy a smaller version handheld or mini sewing machines that are smaller version, and then when you are comfortable with them or you feel that yes, I am into sewing or I love stitching or making things or DIY, then perhaps later on you can invest in a bigger machine. I hope you found this video useful. So please let me know in the comment section what is your purpose of buying a machine and why you are considering a mini sewing machine for your use. For your ease of checking out the price and the features of all these machines, I am providing the link below. You can click on that link and check the price and the features of these machines. Happy stitching. See you in the next video.